Alright, good morning. Time is now 4:52. Kasama si Ma'am Fe at saka si Sir John. Alright, start na ng adventure. Finally here sa summit. Time for coffee and cinnamon bread. Absolutely wonderful view. Just the right amount of breeze. Perfection. Alright, done with coffee na. Now heading to the eastern point to wait for the sunrise. Baka usually nagka-campsite over here. Waiting for meteor showers. Nice view of the city.
Maganda yung meteor shower.
Yes, well, pagka New Year's din, fireworks over the city. Tent site. Tent site.
Oh, dito?
Alright, so we'll be starting over there sa maraming houses. Yung Honda Bay Wharf. And then proceed sa Cowrie Island. And then further up ahead, you've got Luli Island. Somewhere over there, I think this is Starfish Island. Then Snake Island. The time is now 7:27 and we are almost there. Wonderful. Head counting muna. Wala pang casualties so far. Excellent.
Senior citizen.
Wisdom. Right, and we are back. Walang kabagay-bagay. Kamusta naman so far yung trip?
7:30. Ay, oo.
Enjoy.
7:30.
Alright.
Oh, 7:30 lang oh. Tapos na tayo.
Mabilis naman.
Okay. Kuya Moises. Alright, hit it. Ma'am, thank you so much po. Hanggang sa muli po. Oh, grabe po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Sir, ingat-ingat po. Enjoy pa sa Honda Bay later today. Thank you.